Hello and welcome back to Facebook Ads Mastery. I'm your instructor Andrew Tapin, and now I'm going to cover building a website conversion ad. So previously we looked at doing a clicks to website ad. A web conversion ad is very similar, but instead Facebook will deliver or try to deliver your ad to users that they have determined are more likely to convert on an ad, not just click the like button or comment or potentially click the website link, which is what you want to get from a click to website ad. But instead they're trying to go out there and find people that will convert on your ad and using your conversion pixel. So doing that, we click increase conversions on your website in Ads Manager. Again, you're entering the URL you want to promote. So this time let's take a look at a Teespring t-shirt campaign, since I have a conversion pixel set up for that. By default, they recognize that you have an active pixel if you do indeed have an active pixel set up. If not, click the drop down and you can choose the appropriate one. If you do need to create a new one, you can do it here, but I would suggest creating one first. That's why I showed you how to set up a website custom audience and conversion pixels prior to even creating ads. It's just a lot easier flow to go through. Then we click continue, and again everything's going to be similar as to what it has been. Enter your audience, your interests, your targeting, all that. Again, since I'm obviously liking to beat a dead horse, double check your budget. So make sure that is what you actually want it to be, not what Facebook wants it to be. You will see it's automatically set for website conversions. And again, similar to clicks to website, you have the option for a single image or multiple images. And since we entered a URL, it automatically pulls up the default image on that URL. You can use that, or you can upload your own ad image. Again, since we're doing newsfeed, whether desktop or mobile, we have to associate it with a Facebook page. If you're doing a right-hand column ad, you don't. We have the option for the choose button, which in this case we would choose shop now, similar to clicks to website. And again, if we want to show multiple images in one ad, we have that option, which again is a really nice option, especially if you're doing t-shirts or physical products that are similar in nature. So let's click that back to single image real quick. Scroll down here, similar to before, we have our headline, our default URL, our text. We click show advanced options, and we have the ability to put more text below there. So see, that shows up right below your headline. Since this is a web conversion ad, the conversion tracking pixel is already set for you. And so there you have it. Just as before, we will click place order. It'll go into review process and you're on the way. Now, conversion ads do run a little different. Sometimes your reach is a little slower, and you might not be seeing as many conversions as you think if you're used to seeing a lot of engagement with boost posts and clicks to website. That's because there's probably a lot less converters out there than there are clickers and likers. So Facebook's doing their best to determine which people are more likely to convert, and that's one thing you have to weigh with your ad spend. If your margin on a product, say, is $10 and you find out that you're converting at $11, you're actually losing $1 per conversion that's where you need to weigh whether this is the best option for you or not. A lot of the times I like to run website conversion ads after I've built a custom audience through a page post engagement or a clicks to website ad, and then I'll use a website conversion ad to retarget to them. And again, I will cover retargeting at the end of the course, but that's definitely what I found to be a more effective method. Again, for your purposes, test it out, see what works for you, because everybody's kind of objectives and campaigns run differently. But personally, I've found that using website conversion ads for my retargeting purposes has done very well. So that's website conversions, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Take care.